Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be installing this shifter by Zeropointone. It's a company that make these. Yeah, it's pretty much a shifter that just sits a little bit higher. Looks pretty cool. So yeah, let's get straight into this video of installing this. Right, okay, so this is the box that the shifter comes in. Comes with two stickers as well. A longer one, like that, and just like a round badge one. But yeah, that's the company that makes them. So yeah, I'll show you the shifter now. So yeah, this is literally it. Pretty cool to be honest. But the company that make these also make like the cooler work shifters, like styled ones. So yeah, that's the standard one. And obviously this is the other one, but I think it sits about here. But yeah, let's take this one off and then install this one. So they literally twist off the standard ones, just like this. That's literally it. And then now obviously we have the new one in all black. Obviously this is silver. I might wrap this or paint this silver, whatever I can do with it. I might make it black, just so this all goes a bit better. But yeah, let's just install this one now. So yeah, this one literally just does the same, just twists on. And that's it on. Okay, so here's a better view, so like a driving view of this. Much higher. Not sure what the car's doing, but yeah, so it's much higher. Looks pretty cool to be honest. Can't really get a better view, but I'll undo the window and show you how it is with like a view of the whole interior. Right, okay, so yeah, much better view. Does look pretty cool. Obviously, if you're watching this video, you probably have a Fiesta. You know what they look like. They sit pretty low, but yeah, that's it installed. Does look pretty cool to be honest, but as I said, yeah, the silver bit might make that black, but for a price of gear knob, they are £90 I think it was, and then in other colours they're a bit more expensive. But yeah, the black, just I thought I'd go for black. I was going to go for white, but I can imagine white getting pretty dirty considering I daily the car as well. So yeah, I went for the black, which does look pretty cool. But I'm going to go for a little drive of it as well, just to see how it feels. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it looks and all that. So yeah, let's go for a drive. So just before I do drive anywhere, obviously I was thinking about reversing that, because obviously reverse usually on the standard knobs it's just like that, but on this one you still do pick up that, so it is just like that. It is literally just like that, so it is normal. Well, it's obviously not normal, but it still does it alright. But yeah, as I said, let's go for a drive on a lovely day. This weekend has been really nice, so yeah, let's go for a little drive around the block. Right, so as I said, we're going to go for a little drive, so I'm going to start the car, let it warm up, and then we'll go for a drive. But yeah, it does sit much better to be honest. It feels like more natural height, just the height you're resting your arm at. It is perfect. But yeah, let the car warm up, and then we'll go for a drive. Right, okay, so I'm now out on the road, testing it for the first time. Feels pretty normal, like every gear. A lot more natural, like where it is. Obviously, where you're resting your arm on the armrest here, it is in like perfect level. Doesn't miss gears or nothing. Like it is 10 times better. 100% recommend. £90, can't go wrong. Sits a lot higher than normal. Obviously, nothing like a CA shifter, because that's obviously a completely different shifter in general. Like all the lines and all that go into it properly. With this, it literally just sits on the standard gearbox. I do have a short shifter, But obviously, yeah, CAE shifter is completely different. But it does kind of give, I suppose, the feel of that where it is higher. But yeah, definitely recommend, as I said, at 90 quid. Can't go wrong. I think normal shifters, like different knobs in general, like 60 quid, around that £60 mark. So for one which is extended by a bit as well, you can't go wrong. But yeah, the company that I bought it from, they are on Instagram and Facebook and all that, so they are easy to reach out if you do have any questions to them. But yeah, I'm going to put my foot down a little bit just to see how it feels going through the gears properly. So we'll do that now. Let's just get past these people and get onto a different road, because this one's a lot more bumpier. So we'll go to a road that's a lot more flatter. Alright, okay, so yeah, let's put it through some gears now. Yeah, it does feel good. Everything just feels a lot more natural, to be honest. Like the whole height of it is much better. I know this isn't a very long video, obviously, but it just gives people an idea if they are wondering about buying one of these shifters, how it looks. Obviously, it's simple how to install. Take the old one off, put this one on. All the gears feel fine. Reverse, obviously, it's just below. But yeah, it's much better than standard. Right, so thanks for watching this video, guys. I know it's not the longest video, but it does give people a genuine idea of this shifter if they are thinking of buying it. £90, you can't go wrong. 100% recommend. It definitely is cool looking. It does look cool in the car. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Cheers.